There we go. 2013 Grand Finale board. Just got done wiring it up. There it is. Pure madness. It's going to be a hell of a Grand Finale. Got a few cakes on here. We get a close zoom in shot. Here's our remote detonator, which is going to detonate all this stuff off. Basically the way it's going to work is first the pre-board goes one cake at a time for about 10 or 15 cakes. And then we got in the back the big boys. 5 big boys go off at once, which then trigger off the Saturn missiles, and which then at that point triggers off all the other cakes here. Some pretty good cakes set up. A close-up view of how this all comes together. As you can see, everything is wired all up. It's all wired and set to go off all at once. Attitude adjustment.